Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video this morning on Solana, your daily update. All right, there's enough we need to talk about technically, but also fundamentally. Technically, this morning, we were quite bullish, so we'll talk about that. Can we actually sustain that? Can we turn this into the move up to the 200s, which I've been talking about for weeks now? So yeah, we'll do a full update. First of all. What I wanted to talk about is that I found an article yesterday on X, which I reposted. So if you go to my X page, Cilinix Crypto, you'll find it right here about Solana and its statistics, right? Its usage stats and volume, etc. And I think that's an interesting read. I mean, in general, I am still bullish on Solana, but a lot of the usage statistics you see on Solana, like DEX volume, but also active users, transactions, etc. They're highly inflated by certain things, which, I still think like one of the key reasons I'm bullish on Solana is that even despite the fact that a lot of those statistics are fake, you can still say that a lot of the new apps right now are being built on Solana, and there's a massive community around it, and it's getting some institutional interest. All right, so I am still bullish on Solana, but it's not all black and white, right? I mean, Solana definitely has its problems, and the numbers make it look better than it is. But check that out. For now, let's stick to Solana. Like I said earlier today, we got some nice momentum right here, which you can see. For me, I still think, and I also said this yesterday, I still think on the short term, like ultimately we're going into the 200s, right? That's at least what I expect in terms of what I expect from Bitcoin. And then what we see from Solana in terms of relative strength, but also those fundamentals for Solana. All right, so because whether the statistics are inflated for Solana or not, they have been inflated for a while, right? So that is a constant, at least over the last couple of weeks, over the last couple of months. So if that's being constant and we still see growth, then there is real growth as well. All right, so fundamentally, I am bullish on Solana. But what you can see right here is that even with that bullish momentum we got yesterday, over the course of the last couple of days, we have dropped down quite a bit. On the 1 hour time frame right now, the EMAs are kind of settling, right? They're kind of falling flat here. And I think to really turn bullish technically, we need to break above 186. To be precise, 187.5, but the level around 186. And as long as we're below that on the lower time frames, I think the price is too weak. All right, so you can also see on the 4 hour time frame here, the trend band is also falling flat a little bit. We got that level at 186, around 186, I should say. I actually do think is very crucial, right? So drop down below that. For now, we're respecting it. I think there's a possibility, like today, it's going to be quite a volatile day because of the interest rates. I think if Solana can get that breakout with momentum, then we'll go up to 200. And this is something that can practically, due to all those bullish fundamentals I talked about earlier, this can practically happen at any hour, right? I would not expect it to happen today due to the news, but also due to the market circumstances. But it is something you should be aware of and something you should take into account. But all right, no, right now, like I said, I still think due to the technical situation, due to the price structure, but also what we see from the momentum right here, which is falling flat a little bit and even decreasing a bit, or at least the CVD is decreasing, I would say it's more likely that we will stay in this kind of consolidation. And then ideally, we would see a drop down into the low 170s. So something like that. That would be a good buy area. And then what's also possible, but only if we get some bad news tonight or something, we can also spike down into the low 160s. But lower than that, I do not expect. And I do also expect that from this consolidation, eventually we'll be able to break above 186 and rally up higher. But I'll keep you updated on that. Like I said, for the reasons I've given you, I think it's unlikely that will happen in the short term, as in today or tomorrow. But I do expect it in the medium term, so I'll be sure to keep you updated on that. For now, I think it's most likely that we'll stay in this consolidation. A little bit higher, but yeah, you know what I mean. Those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.